Kakadwa kaladyo, balik kayo kalayo. Andaw kita jo may tako, onlaw kito man adibay. Adibay! Woo! Woo! Kultura tayo dya kabinggit.
Actually, this is a celebration of the 125th anniversary of the province of Benguet. So, siyempre, ito Adibay, nag-meet lang ng mga kababayan natin sa Benguet para at least ma-meet mo naman yung mga hindi mo nakita matagal at saka we-meet for development. Halos yung activity, pareho siya pero ini-improve. Yun.
I think Kanyang Ngaykat, it is the celebration of our culture in the province of Benguet. And of course, with Gan Kanyaw, you get to gather all people, which isutiket na nga sa Onti Adibay, the coming together of all kakailian in the province of Benguet. Parang laging bago kasi laging may innovation, nilalagyan ng twist, at saka ang isang bago na masasabi ko, yung sayaw namin, yung line dance. Happy Adibay to all. We love you, and here in the province of Benguet, because of our love to our province, we commit to serve you. And of course, we need also your support.
Kakadwa kaladyo, balik kayo kalayo.